Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there, I'm back again with another video, and today I will show you how you can see delivered snaps on Snapchat. So, when you send snaps on Snapchat, it shows as delivered and you cannot see it unless the other person view it or save it in the chat. But there is actually a method which you can also see the delivered snaps that were sent by you. So let's start the video by clicking and opening on the Snapchat app. And first of all, you need to go to the chat section and you need to open any chat. And then I will show you that how you can see delivered snaps. First of all, I will send one snap right now. So that's the snap that I've just sent, and it is showing us delivered only. Now, if you will wait for the other person to view it and then save it, only then you can see it. But that's not true at all. You can simply long press on delivered and it will give you the option to save it in chat. So when you do that, you will be able to see it before the other person sees it. And if you in case you want to delete it, you can again, long press it and you will see the option to delete it. You will also get the option to unsave this, but this will not make it as the default and it will make it disappear. Alright, so it will still be there in your chat, but it will be removed after 24 hours. So that is how you can see delivered messages on Snapchat.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.